Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your Steam replay for this year, obviously. So just open up Steam and this will pop up, Steam Replay 2024, and just select review your year on Steam. And then it's going to load your replay. This year you played a variety of different games. Here are a few of your highlights. Okay. 24 games played, 197 achievements unlocked, 13 days is the longest streak. Phasmophobia, Red Dead Redemption, and Disney Dreamlight Valley. Okay, these are the achievements and then the games. You are what you play. So I play a lot of relaxing games. Play horror, which is just Phasmophobia. FPS and online co-op. Let's take a closer look at your top played games. Phasmophobia, Red Dead Redemption. Okay, cool. I stopped playing like by the end of the year. Disney Dreamlight Valley. Chained Together. I played with my friend here. Counter-Strike 2. Your longest daily streak 13. During this time, you're all in playing this game. Explore the games you played this year. Okay, well, I played a lot of games. I played Apex, don't remember. I think I did. Okay, so thank you for being a part of the Steam community in 2024. Don't forget to share your replay. So to share it, you can just share it by pressing this button, and it's going to like give you the format that you want. I like the format for Instagram stories. Also, you can download the image of your Steam replay, but you just need to do it on the website. If you press share here, you can save the image. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.